So we have, for example, 4 inputs from 4 different sources, but we have the output, we need just one output to power an IC. It could be charge IC, it could be CPU IC, RAM IC, etc. But my friends, for the MOSFET, it's different. The MOSFET, basically, we have the gate like this. Okay, my friends, we have the drain and we have the source. And we have a diode here, basically, let's say, let's use another color. And we have basically here a diode, like this, as you can see, my friend. So when we check between source and drain, we get a reading about 500 drop voltage. But when we touch the gate like this, when we touch the gate using the red probe, we touch the gate using the red probe here, we inject a little bit current, we inject a little bit current here, we get here continuity, my friends, as we have seen in the motherboard. So for the MOSFET contain 1 diode, for the double diode contain 2 diodes. So I hope that you understand the difference between double diode and the MOSFET. And of course, thank you for one of my followers that asked me. This is basically, my friends, all topics that I discuss and we study are based on my followers. I always do my best to read your comments, and when I catch or I find a good comment and a good question that deserve studying, I try to study it. I hope that you understand. Please tell me in the comment, did you understand the difference between the double diode? Why exactly we discussed this one? Because 2 of my followers, one asked me about the charge circuit and the other asked me about the diode. And fortunately, in the charge circuit, we have the double diode, because in the charge circuit, my friends, always there is a double diode here that power the charge IC, the VCC, and the inputs are different. One input from the adapter, and this input, my friend, from the battery here. You see, 2 inputs, one from the battery, from adapter. When the adapter is connected, the battery is eliminated. When the adapter is disconnected, the battery take the charge and send the VCC to charge IC. That's why we use the double diode, my friends.